Manipur University Act lising ani manga khungoi naraga University asigi Vice Chancellor ama appoint tawrapagi mayokta Safeguarding the Sanctity of Manipur University Act 2005 haiba banner gi makhada Manipur University Teachers Association muta gi member singna Gi Wakat Meepham ama chathakhrei Manipur University gi verse 10 Traffic Island sathakiba Wakat Meepham aduda saruyakiba singna defend statutory rights, no violation of MU Act, no interference in university administration amadi safe MU statute haiba yauna tongan ba wahi kaya iba placard sing sizinaki Wakat Meepham aduda Department of Art Science ki oza amasong mutage General Secretary Dr. Yumkhaibam Rajesh na hai Manipur University Act lising ani mga asi Parliament pass tawraba matung laibag asigi President approve tawraba chatnaduna lagpa act ni Manipur University da thokliba thodo wathok mayam asi ek asigi makhada pumnamak chatnagadabani Manipur University gi hanagi Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendrona thabaktagi pothakraba matung University asigi khwaidagi senior oiba oza mana matam khara Vice Chancellor in charge oina puramlei adubu tha asigi tara marida Ministry of Education na thopo order amagi matungina Vice Chancellor in charge ki charge ase Professor Ganga Prasad Prasanta sinakhi gadabani haidaki Ministry order aduda Manipur University Act 2005 ki matangda wafam amata pandaba khagnatana ek asi khonggoinare University asida tharakpa Vice Chancellor kudingmak University asina taramno okani adumoinamak Manipur University Act 2005 khonggoinaraga lawrakliba khongthang asidi kaidongnungda yaba ngamloi hainasu mahakna makhatana phongdorakli
Manipur University Vice Chancellor in charge oina hapkro haibagi order sima haitare ne ko sar sinakro haibagi posima lakpa haitare then madudagi di trang taraga mari dagina hojik Professor Prasansina akoigi Vice Chancellor in charge oina pudun leiba haitare ne akoni hum yengjabada Ministry of Education dagi tharai ba CSC kamai togi hai matam side eksi amat pandaba eksi amat yaudaba aduduna Ministry dagi tharai ba CSC Manipur University Act 2005 sima totally violate tauba adugumba CM oiba haitare document amo oiba haitare ne maduda akoina penjadadana akoina haijari ba request kaino hai matam sida akoigi any Vice Chancellor ma laksunu any Vice Chancellor ma lakpu matamda akoi fajana dum welcome taujage adubu khanbiri ba Vice Chancellor dudi Manipur University Act 2005 ki matung ina khallakana thabiro kanasu tomborosu chawborosu amoborosu akoi we are ready to welcome any Vice Chancellor who get appointed as per the Manipur University Act 2005
Manipur State Cooperative